Hello everyone, welcome to this takeaway section of the video series on Google Conversational Agents platform where we have built appointment scheduler agent. There are few things that I want to talk about before we wrap this up. First, make sure your tools are working okay before testing the overall agent. There is a separate test button on each tool that you can use to test the tools individually. Second thing, write the goals and instructions of the generative playbook in a way that it doesn't confine the agent to move in a strict way. Also, at the same time, doesn't loosen the ends so that the agent can fill ambiguous information into the things that it generates. The third point I want to discuss is that I'm sure you will be thinking like, hey, you haven't explained all the things. But the conversational agent platform is so huge that it is not possible for a 5, 6 or even 10 video series to explain all the functionalities of the conversational agent platform. But if you feel that you have certain questions, you can surely get back me on the comment section of the video series. I'll surely help you out. The resources that I have used in the video series is available in the description of the video. You can get the resources for free. I guess this is it from my side for this tutorial series. If you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.